Which glass has the most water? The correct answer is B. Exam number 2. Find the number 3. If you got the first 2 questions right, double tap the screen so I know. Third exam, hold the comment button and pick your favorite emoji. I bet you picked this one. If I'm right, you failed this exam. Did you know that when you follow me, my profile picture gets animated? Fourth exam. What is the second app that appears after you clicked on Share Then More? I bet it's the Instagram app. If I'm right, then you failed this exam and cannot progress. Okay, here's the final exam. But be warned, it's pretty hard. What's the number in the picture? Leave the correct answer in the comments.